Uh-oh, uh-oh, what happened to him? You got him, but you might want to get him again. When you wound a squirrel, you should back the power down on your scope so you can get on him again. He's disoriented. I think you got him in the face.
Where is he now? You see him?
Mm-hmm.
Where is he?
The camera will show that it's really dark, and it's hard to track a squirrel when it is this dark.
Hang on, bro.
Backing the power down quickly would have allowed for a follow-up shot here. Oh, God. And it's time for some Squirrel Daddy Kane Squirrel Dog action. Sometimes I'm just like Squirrel SWAT. He's still in that tree. I hear him. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. It's never a happy ending for us when they end up in a hole injured.